Right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, roof rack, adaptive cruise control, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.